The question is maximize happiness of selected children. In the question, you will be provided with an array happiness of length n and a positive integer k. There are n children standing in a queue. The ith children has happiness of I, and you want to select k children from this n children in k turns. In each turn, when you select a child, the happiness value of all the children that are not been selected will decrease by 1. Note that the happiness value cannot become negative. So it can reach the maximum value of 0, and after that you cannot reduce because you cannot make it negative. And you have to return the maximum sum of happiness values of the selected children that you can achieve by selecting k children. So let me make it more clear. In the question, we will be provided with a happiness Rn of length n, that is representing the happiness of n children. Now you need to return the maximum sum by choosing k children's. Maximum sum of happiness of k children's. And if you're choosing some children, let's say any one of the children, so the other non-selected children will get a decrement of -1 in their happiness value. Now, how do you choose that? How would you return that maximum sum? So if this condition is not there, like if you're choosing some children, so other values are getting decremented by 1. If that condition is not there, then what you do is just do sorting in the decreasing order. So the maximum value will come at first. There is a maximum value. So you will choose the k maximum values and return your sum. In the question, we'll do the same thing. But let's say the array is anything that is 1, 1, 4, 8, 4, 5, 8. Now, after sorting, it will look like 4, 1, 1. Now you will be choosing this k in the value of k is 4. You will be choosing this k values only, but in what order you will do this? If you're choosing 1 first, let's say we are adding 1, then all the values get decremented by 1, so 7, 4, 3. Now I'll be choosing the other element, 3. So all the values will get decremented by 6, 3. Now you're choosing 3 again. The 6 would become 5. Now you choose 5. So the total value is 5, 3, 8, 8, 4, 12. So the resultant is 12. Now if you choose this values in a reverse manner, like you will be choosing 8 first now, 8. So the other values would be 4, 3, 0. Now if you're choosing 4 now, other values would be 2, 0. Because you cannot go below 0. It's mentioned in the question. Now you'll be choosing 2. It will be remaining 0. Now choose 2. So the resultant is 14. So as you have done, like the same array can give you 2 different answers, the 12 and 14. So which is giving me the maximum sum, I choose that order only. So choose the maximum one first, because if the minimum is getting reduced to 0, it will not go below 0. So that is your benefit. So choosing maximum first is your benefit, because the same value will get decremented for maximum also, but reaching to 0 for maximum, it would be a longer path. For 1, it would be a shorter path. So after reaching 0, they would not go beyond 0. So that's your benefit. So choose the maximum one first and then minimum one. But you will be choosing that k maximum only that is present in the array. Just sort it in the decreasing order and then choose from the front. So let me show you that as it was 8, and the value for the indices after sorting, it would be 1, it would be 2, the other one 2, this is 3, and this is 0. So you are getting the value minus their indices 8 minus 0. For 5, it was 5 minus 1 only, and for 2, it was 4 minus 2 only, and this is 1 minus 3. But this is minimum of 0 comma this. You have to do this maximum of 0 comma, that you cannot go below 0. That's mentioned. So maximum 0 comma 1 minus 3. So do this everywhere and add this to your sum and return that sum. So that's it. Let me show the code and it will be more clear. So what we have done in the question is first sorted the array in the decreasing order, just sorting in the increasing order, and after reversing it, so it's basically in the decreasing order. Now I have taken the first element, that is maximum of 0. You cannot go beyond 0. So maximum 0 comma that happiness value of the ith children after sorting minus their index. And I've added that into the answer. You will be choosing the k children only. So I've reduced the value of k until k is greater than 0. And I've also incremented the value of the index. And after that, I've just returned the answer. So that's it. I hope it's clear. Thank you for watching.